Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Michelle, and today we're going to talk about playing sports.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss our simple English lessons. Playing sports is a wonderful topic, Michelle. Do you like sports?
Yes, Jack. I love sports. Sports are very fun and healthy.
I agree with you. Sports keep our bodies strong and happy. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton. It is a very fast and exciting game. What about you, Jack?
Oh, really? Badminton is great. My favorite sport is football. Many people call it soccer.
Wow, football is very popular all around the world. Do you play football every day?
No, I do not play every day. I am too busy. But I play every Saturday morning with my friends.
That sounds fun. Where do you play football on Saturdays?
We play at the big park near my house. There is a nice green field there.
That is beautiful. Playing outside in a park is very refreshing.
Yes, it is. The fresh air makes me feel alive. Who do you play badminton with, Michelle?
I usually play badminton with my sister. Sometimes I play with my friends from school.
That is nice. Do you play inside a gym or outside in the garden?
We usually play in the garden behind my house, but when it is windy, we go to the sports center.
That is smart. Wind can move the badminton shuttlecock very easily.
Exactly. The shuttlecock is very light. If the wind blows, the game becomes too difficult.
That is true. Let's ask our listeners a quick question. What about you? Do you like playing sports? Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, we want to know your favorite sports. Please tell us.
Now, Michelle, let's talk more about sports. When did you start playing badminton?
I started playing when I was 10 years old. My father bought me a racket for my birthday.
That sounds interesting. A racket is a very good birthday gift. Did your father teach you how to play?
Yes, he did. He taught me how to hold the racket and how to hit the shuttlecock.
Your father is very kind. I learned to play football from my older brother.
Wow, did your brother play football well?
Yes, he was a very good player. He played for his school team.
That is amazing. Did you want to play for a team too?
Yes, I did. I joined my school football team when I was 12 years old.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Did your team win many matches?
We won some matches and we lost some matches. It was okay. Winning is not everything.
I agree. The most important thing is to have fun and exercise.
Yes, that is true. Exercise is very important for our health.
Jack, let's pause our story for a moment. I think we used a very important verb just now.
Oh, which verb is that, Michelle?
We used the verb to win. The past tense of win is won.
Ah, yes. Win is an irregular verb. We do not say wind, we say won.
That is correct. Let's give an example sentence for our beginners.
Great idea. For example, yesterday my team won the football match.
That is a useful sentence. Won is spelled W-O-N, but it sounds exactly like the number 1.
Wow, that is a very good pronunciation tip, Michelle. One and one sound the same.
Yes, beginners should remember that. Pronunciation can be tricky sometimes.
Let's look at another verb. We said lost. The present tense is lose.
Yes, lose is also an irregular verb. The past tense is lost.
For example, we lost the game, but we were still happy.
That is a beautiful sentence, Jack. It shows a good sports spirit.
Thank you. Now let's go back to our main discussion. Michelle, do you know how to play any other sports?
Well, I can swim. Swimming is also a sport, right?
Yes, absolutely. Swimming is an excellent sport. It exercises your whole body.
I love swimming in the summer because the weather is very hot. The water feels cold and nice.
That sounds wonderful. I like swimming too, but I am not a very fast swimmer.
That is okay. You don't have to be fast. Just moving in the water is good for you.
That is true. Do you swim in a pool or in the ocean?
I usually swim in a public swimming pool near my apartment. It is very clean.
Public pools are great. I prefer swimming in the sea when I go on vacation.
Oh, really? The sea is beautiful, but the waves can be big and scary sometimes.
Yes, you must be very careful when you swim in the sea. Safety always comes first.
I agree with you completely. Safety is number one in all sports.
Speaking of safety, what equipment do you need for badminton?
You need a badminton racket, a shuttlecock, and a net. You also need comfortable shoes.
Yes, good shoes are important so you do not slip and fall.
What equipment do you need for football, Jack?
For football, you need a big football, a goal post, and soccer cleats. Cleats are special shoes with small spikes on the bottom.
Oh, cleats. That is a new word for some beginners. Let's explain it simply.
Yes, cleats are shoes that help you stand firmly on the wet grass. They stop you from falling down.
That is very useful. So, football players always wear cleats.
Yes, they do. They also wear shin guards to protect their legs from getting hurt.
Wow, football sounds a bit dangerous. Do people get hurt often?
Sometimes they do, but it is usually just small scratches or bruises. It is not too bad.
That is good to hear. I do not like sports where people get hurt easily.
Me neither. That is why I do not like boxing or American football. They are too aggressive for me.
I agree. I prefer gentle sports like badminton or table tennis.
Table tennis is fun too. Some people call it ping pong. Do you play ping pong?
Yes, I do. My uncle has a table tennis table in his basement. We play during family holidays.
Ping pong is very fast. You need quick eyes and quick hands.
Yes, you do. It improves your reaction time. It is very good for your brain.
I didn't know that. That is an interesting fact.
Yes, sports are good for both the body and the brain.
Let's take a quick moment for our listeners. If you are enjoying this conversation about sports, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you everyone for your support. Let's learn some more English now.
Michelle, let's talk about the words play, do, and go. We use them with different sports.
Ah, that is a classic grammar rule. Let's explain it clearly.
We use play for team sports or sports with a ball. For example, play football, play badminton, play tennis.
Yes, and we use go for sports that end in ing. For example, go swimming, go running, go cycling.
Exactly. That is a very easy pattern to remember. What about do?
We use do for individual sports or activities that do not use a ball. For example, do yoga, do gymnastics, do karate.
That is perfect. Let's review together. We say play tennis, go swimming, and do yoga.
Yes, many English learners make mistakes with these verbs. This is a very good rule to memorize.
Let's give another example. Michelle, do you do yoga?
No, I do not do yoga. I am not very flexible. But my mother does yoga every morning.
That is great. Your mother must be very healthy.
Yes, she is. She says yoga helps her relax her mind.
That sounds lovely. Relaxation is important because life can be busy and stressful.
That is true. Sports help to reduce stress. When I am stressed, I go for a run.
Look at that. You used go for a run. That is also correct. Running is great for clearing the mind.
Yes, it is. I run in the park for 20 minutes. After that, I feel much better.
Do you listen to music when you run?
Yes, always. Music gives me energy. It makes me run faster.
I do the same thing. When I am at the gym, I listen to happy, fast music.
Oh, do you go to the gym, Jack?
Yes, I do. I go to the gym twice a week to lift weights and stay strong.
Wow, that is fantastic. Lifting weights is hard work.
It can be hard, but it feels good after you finish the workout.
I understand that feeling. The feeling of success after finishing hard exercise is wonderful.
Yes, it gives you confidence. You feel like you can do anything.
Michelle, do you like watching sports on television?
Sometimes I do. I like watching the Olympic Games. The Olympics are very exciting.
Oh, the Olympics are amazing. Athletes from all countries come together to compete.
Yes, it is beautiful to see the world together in peace.
My favorite Olympic sport to watch is gymnastics. The gymnasts are like acrobats. They fly in the air.
Yes, they are incredibly graceful and strong. I like watching the running races, especially the 100-meter sprint.
Wow, the sprint is over so quickly. It lasts less than 10 seconds.
Yes, it is pure excitement for 10 seconds. The runners are fast like lightning.
That is a nice expression, fast like lightning. It means extremely fast.
Yes, beginners can use this expression to describe fast things.
Let's write another comment question for our viewers. Dear listeners, do you prefer playing sports or watching sports on TV? Tell us in the comments.
Personally, I prefer playing sports because I like to move. Sitting on the couch for too long makes me tired.
I agree. Playing is more active and better for our health. But watching with friends can also be a fun social event.
That is true. When there is a big football match, I invite my friends to my house. We eat pizza and watch the game together.
That sounds like a wonderful weekend plan. Food and sports go well together.
Yes, they do. But we must eat healthy food too, not just pizza.
Of course, balance is key to a good life.
Today was a lot of fun, Michelle. We talked about so many different sports.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Jack. Sharing our stories is a great way to learn.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast today. We hope you learned some useful English words and phrases about sports.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing your English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.